In seconds, say what matters. Bilateral trade between India and China surged to an all-time high of $155.62 billion in 2025, according to annual trade data released on Wednesday by China's General Administration of Customs. The record trade volume highlights the deepening economic engagement between the world's two most populous nations, even as the trade imbalance widened to unprecedented levels. India's exports to China rose by 9.7% year-on-year to $19.75 billion, marking an increase of $5.5 billion compared with the previous year. Trade analysts describe this rise as a structural shift, driven by higher shipments of commodities such as iron ore, refined petroleum products, and certain agricultural and chemical goods. The growth suggests that Indian exporters are gradually finding stronger demand in the Chinese market despite ongoing geopolitical and strategic tensions between the two countries. However, the improvement in India's exports was overshadowed by a much sharper rise in Chinese exports to India. Shipments from China climbed 12.8% to $135.87 billion in 2025, fueled by strong Indian demand for electronics, machinery, power equipment, active pharmaceutical ingredients, and consumer goods. As a result, India's trade deficit with China widened to a record $116.12 billion. This marks only the second time the trade deficit has crossed the $100 billion threshold, the first instance occurring in 2023. The expanding gap continues to raise concerns in New Delhi over India's heavy dependence on Chinese imports, particularly in strategic sectors such as electronics, renewable energy components, and pharmaceuticals. Despite policy efforts to boost domestic manufacturing and diversify supply chains, China remains India's largest goods trading partner. Economists note that while rising trade volumes reflect strong economic interlinkages, the growing imbalance underscores the urgency for India to enhance export competitiveness, promote value-added manufacturing, and reduce import dependence in critical sectors. Stay tuned on BizShort for more such updates.